WTI. Let me share with you how this sleep mask has completely changed the quality of my sleep. This sleep mask from Colorado Home makes the perfect gift. It comes in such a cute box, and I love how it has a certificate of authenticity that it is 100% organic mulberry silk in both sides. I truly love this one. I chose a 3D eye sleep mask, midnight blue, but it comes in a variety of other beautiful colors. This is truly gentle on your skin. It's zero pressure. It frames the eye perfectly. It's a secure fit, and the elastic band will not tangle your hair. Sleeping in total darkness has provided the sleep quality I've been desiring for years. I use this when I'm taking a nap. I use this when I sleep at night and when traveling. If you're like me and you don't function without sleep, then this is a must, and that is my point of view.